Dynamics AX to Dynamics 365 Upgrade Guide for Industry Leaders. Will organizations still rely on Dynamics AX in 2025? While some businesses continue to use it, many are transitioning. Here's what you need to know if you're still on AX. Who's still using AX? Many businesses in construction, manufacturing, retail, and distribution continue to rely on Dynamics AX. Why? Because they've spent years building custom workflows, integrating third-party tools, and aligning AX with their day-to-day operations. Why they haven't upgraded? Companies often delay the upgrade due to budget concerns, fear of disruption, or the complexity of their existing AX environment. But these short-term reasons can lead to long-term challenges. The hidden cost of staying on AX. While AX may still function, it comes with serious drawbacks. End of mainstream Microsoft support, high data security risks, limited scalability, lack of advanced analytics, disconnected systems that make reporting difficult. Over time, these limitations hold your business back. Why Dynamics 365 is better fit. Dynamics 365 is a modern, cloud-based ERP solution tailored for your industry. In construction, it supports project budgeting and field reporting. In manufacturing, it enables production control and supply chain automation. Retailers benefit from centralized operations and customer insights. Distributors get improved demand forecasting and warehouse management. All of this is integrated in one intelligent, accessible platform. We help you migrate seamlessly. We specialize in AX to Dynamics 365 upgrade. Our team ensures a smooth, secure data migration process with minimal disruption and zero data loss. You don't just get new software, you get a stronger, smarter business foundation. Still running on Dynamics AX? Let's help you plan a seamless upgrade to Dynamics 365.